Alright, so here's my '02 Honda Civic that's just definitely developed a rod knock. I was driving the mule shoe yesterday with the cruise on, and then the engine started losing power and started losing power and getting louder. Pushed the clutch in and basically coasted into the vet clinic that I was going to. So I'll fire it up for you here, and you can hear the knot. All right, should stay there. Sorry, I'm a little bit plugged up. Got that Rona. So yeah, there she is. I'm going to pull all the plugs out and then rotate each cylinder up to top dead center and then down. Push an extension in there and see if I can't get movement out of the piston. I guess it could be the valve train, but I don't think so. It's definitely the sound's coming from underneath the bottom. But anywho, I'm gonna tinker with it a little bit. Ed's has two out back, they say, and $125 for an engine. They got two Civics out back that have engines in them, so same year. So we'll see. We'll go from there. All right, so now we're gonna check the rod bearings and look for slop in the piston. Gonna rotate the engine over so the cylinder in question is on its downstroke. So we'll get that screwdriver to come up and then down a little ways. So the outside cylinders are both on their downstroke. So we'll do them both at the same time here. I'll turn the light on, that might help. Okay. Ready? There she is. Bring it over here to this one. No push. Nothing. Then no movement at all. So just for sorry. We'll do one more just for shits and giggles. And this guy. I've already checked the inside cylinders. No movement here. I've already checked these two. No movement in those. So I've only got one affected. Looks like I can go into the junkyard.